Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, we are group 4. We would like to bring safety talk about unsafe action in elevator and unsafe sitting in front of laptop. Before we going into the material, we will introduce our group member, but first, I hope you guys enjoy the video and cheers.
Unsafe action is a dangerous or unsafe behavior that can cause accidents. So, according to the Kavianian in Winarsunu, dangerous behavior is failure or human failure in following the right requirements and procedures to cause work accidents.
Insecurities are defined as any human act that can allow accident in either oneself or others, while unsafe condition, the unsafe condition is a situation or circumstance that is not directly caused by action. Accident of one or more employees at site that could cause harm or injury if the condition is not.
First, unsafe in elevator. Elevator are vertical transport, which used to transport people or things. Elevator are commonly used in high-rise buildings, usually more than 3 or 4 floors. The floor building usually had only a ladder or an escalator. In modern times, safe button that became caused by progress. According to their three kids of match.
The first, which are hydraulic traction or the pulley remains, and hoist or the pulley double kind of hoist into two parts, which is hoist traction, hoist drag in order to avoid the same incident. Here the information you need to understand regarding security using the elevator.
Rule when entering the elevator. Make room for passengers who will exit before you the elevator. Watch your step. The elevator floor may not be parallel to the floor. Don't stand in front of the elevator. Don't elevate any clothes or bag. The elevator. Make sure kids
Who are at the door must make room for the elevator that are about to exit. Press the elevator door opener button when there are many passengers going in or out. Never try to stop the elevator door from closing. When you get the destination floor, please quickly the button on your destination floor and make room for the other passenger to shift place.
Rules when in elevator. First, hold on to the handrail that are available in the elevator. Secondly, stand next to the elevator wall. Third, notice the orientation floor on the elevator doors. Fourth, if the door doesn't open when the elevator reaches the target floor, press the door open button.
Rule when off the elevator. Please exit the elevator when you get to the target floor. Don't push people in front of you when going out the elevator. Watch your step. The position of the elevator floor might not yet be parallel to the station floor.
What do you need to when experiencing an emergency event such as being depressed in elevator? Number 1, press door open button. Number 2, stay clean. Number 3, hit an alarm or I'll help button. And use all available communication system. Number 4, relax and don't force yourself out of the elevator.
Secondly, unsafe action sitting in front of a laptop. Another study explained that employees who worked more than 7 hours at computer screen had the lowest level Mach 5 IC is protein found in the lining of the eye that help to seal moisture if protein are low in the eyes. This means that the person has dry eye. It makes any discomfort that causes the make the person sick. After all, when the eye severely, the tissue on surface of the eye can trigger infection.
IQ with a back brand and the stable seat. The screen position of the laptop is unless parallel or just below the eye level. Use anti-glare filter or select the monitor next from the lid of the laptop screen. Minimum setting distance from the monitor. Set attitude in the setting position so that core are level with the floor.
Sage always place a document in front of you and purpose of his like when asking the keyboard to mouse input device. Keep your work and level with the table. Keep your wrist flat and straight. Use shoulder, relax or make yourself uncomfortable as possible. Rest yes every 20 minutes, 20 seconds to see the distance of 20 feet. Check your posture often. Give at move regular.
The conclusion in research suggests that there's a link between knowledge and affirmative action. Increase the worker knowledge will reduce vocational action. So, the advice can be given for the company to provide both training and schedule direction to increase the knowledge of K3 vocational action in the worker. This is the end of the safety talk. Hopefully we can take a good lesson from what we have to say today. I apologize for words and inappropriate behavior. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom.